Welcome to channel, Effortless English from Zero. Learn to speak English like a native. If you are new here, consider subscribing. The circus is in town. Listen and repeat. She loves the circus. The circus has elephants. Elephants are big. The circus has tigers. Tigers are pretty. The circus has clowns. Clowns are funny. They drive funny cars. They wear funny costumes. They have funny faces. They make her laugh. The circus is in town this week. Listen and answer. Does she love the circus?
Yes, she loves the circus.
Who loves the circus?
Sophia loves the circus.
What does she love?
She loves the circus.
Does the circus have elephants?
Yes, the circus has elephants.
What has elephants?
The circus has elephants.
What does the circus have?
The circus has elephants.
Are elephants big?
Yes, elephants are big.
What animal is big?
Elephants are big.
Does the circus have tigers?
Yes, the circus has tigers.
What has tigers?
The circus has tigers.
What does the circus have?
The circus has tigers.
Are tigers pretty?
Yes, tigers are pretty.
What animal is pretty?
Tigers are pretty.
Does the circus have clowns?
Yes, the circus has clowns.
What has clowns?
The circus has clowns.
What does the circus have?
The circus has clowns.
Are clowns funny?
Yes, clowns are funny.
Who is funny?
Clowns are funny.
Do they drive funny cars?
Yes, they drive funny cars.
Who drives funny cars?
The clowns drive funny cars.
What do they drive?
They drive funny cars.
Do they wear funny costumes?
Yes, they wear funny costumes.
Who wears funny costumes?
The clowns wear funny costumes.
What do they wear?
They wear funny costumes.
Do they have funny faces?
Yes, they have funny faces.
Who has funny faces?
The clowns have funny faces.
What do they have?
They have funny faces.
Do they make her laugh?
Yes, they make her laugh.
Who makes her laugh?
The clowns make her laugh.
What do they do?
They make her laugh.
Is the circus in town this week?
Yes, the circus is in town this week.
What is in town this week?
The circus is in town this week.
Where is the circus this week?
The circus is in town this week.
Point of view, yesterday. Listen and repeat. She loved the circus. The circus had elephants. Elephants were big. The circus had tigers. Tigers were pretty. The circus had clowns. Clowns were funny. They drove funny cars. They wore funny costumes. They had funny faces. They made her laugh. The circus was in town last week. Point of view, tomorrow. Listen and repeat. She will love the circus. The circus will have elephants. Elephants will be big. The circus will have tigers. Tigers will be pretty. The circus will have clowns. Clowns will be funny. They will drive funny cars. They will wear funny costumes. They will have funny faces. They will make her laugh. The circus will be in town next week. Vocabulary. Circus. Elephant. Big. Tiger. Pretty. Clown. Funny. Drive. Costume. Face. Laugh. Town. Question of the day. Do you want to go to the circus? Let me know in the comments below. You have to watch this video every day, for at least 2 weeks. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch more videos, consider subscribing.
See you again. Bye bye.